I've spent the whole evening with my eyes shut right now, so haven't had the opportunity to wish you all. What happened in Greece is right after I lost all my bags, this is what I saw.
Okay.
An empty trolley with just one paper bag, which was from a store called Accessorize. The people who stole it decided that was not important enough to take. दो ही तरीके होते हैं जी, मैं ये मानती हूँ. एक, हम बुरा मान सकते हैं और इस बात को लेकर चर्चा करते रह सकते हैं कि दुनिया भर में क्या बुरा हो रहा है, हमारे देश में कितना बुरा हो रहा है. और दूसरी तरफ होता है कि हर औरत को ये ठान लेना कि वो एक अच्छी मिसाल बने. क्योंकि जब एक हिंदुस्तानी औरत एक अच्छी मिसाल बनती है तो छोटे से छोटे गांव में बच्चियों में हौसला आता है कि अगर वो कर सकती है तो मैं कर सकती हूँ, और वैसे ही बदलाव आया. जैसे कि आपने पढ़ा होगा न्यूज़ में, एक डायरेक्टर ने तो साफ अनाउंसमेंट कर दी है, बट टिल शी डज नॉट वांट टू टॉक एनी फर्दर, आई वुड नॉट वांट टू टेक द प्लेस ऑफ अ डायरेक्टर. बट इतना ज़रूर है, इंतज़ार का फल मीठा होता है. Actually, you know, I had Googled a lot about him before coming. It's a habit I have. कि कोई guest हमारे देश में आ रहा हो and I'm attending it, I always find out a little bit about them. He's been on pretty much every big network in the world and done these amazing things जहाँ पर you have to stop and say कि ये trick नहीं था. It's a power of suggestion, it's the power of your mind, it's the power of telling you how to think so that the eventual is equal to will match what he has in mind. He does that faultlessly. Also, I'm a big fan because he's from Israel and I'm a huge follower of the Kabbalah. So for me, the tree of life and the faith with which he does what he does is a personal connect. He's mentioned he loves numbers. I love numbers. And so for me, tonight was a real mesmerizing night because I was very shocked. When my eyes were shut and I was imagining, मैंने जानबूझ के एक ऐसा situation choose किया जो बहुत flowery और fun नहीं हो about my travel. I picked something very difficult to imagine. And I draw like a child, so I was imagining like a baby drawing a person next to a trolley. And I was very blown away that people started clapping with my eyes shut. So I knew he had gotten something right. And I later realized that he had Greece right. So no, this gentleman is very, very talented. और इन्होंने एक बार बहुत प्यारी चीज़ कही थी कि ये ऐसा गिफ्ट नहीं है which you're born with. हर कोई इंसान सीख सकता है. You just have to have the ability to control your mind and the power that lies within. So great to have him here, great to be here. Congratulations to Fiona and to my very dear friend, Mr. Prahlad Kakkar, who always does innovative ways of connecting people. And it's really a splendid evening. Thank you so much for being here. Khuda Hafiz.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.